A chiropractic adjustment is a very gentle technique. How it works is like this. Now the brain wants to communicate with the body, but sometimes the vertebrae or the bones in your back kind of get in the way. Sometimes your muscles get in the way too, in the form of like knots and whatnot that you might be experiencing. Now if I pinch the nerve to, let's say, your stomach, the brain can't communicate to the stomach as well as how it should, right? So you may be experiencing symptoms like too much acid buildup in the stomach causing heartburn. Well, that's called a subluxation. So what we would do in that point is find the vertebrae in question that's impinging on that nerve and put a gentle pressure on it to relieve it. That's a chiropractic adjustment to relieve the subluxation. Now the brain can talk to the organ the way it should, and the organ responds positively and the patient starts to feel well again.